Since I was a kid, I always loved playing outside. Climbing rocks, riding trails, getting lost in the woods. It's where I feel free. The sound of the wind, the crunch of the ground. It's not just about speed or power. It's about feeling everything. Every bump, every line, every second. That's why I ride the EM XR Plus. For me, it's not about choosing between gas or electric. It's not one against the other. Electric is just a new way to ride. EM explores the silence.